Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, October 20th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled The Art of Facing Things. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Robert Clark. What people have forgotten is what every salmon knows. Salmon have much to teach us about the art of facing things. In swimming up waterfalls, these remarkable creatures seem to defy gravity. It is an amazing thing to behold. A closer look reveals a wisdom for all beings who want to thrive. What the salmon somehow know is how to turn their underside from center to tail into the powerful current coming at them, which hits them squarely, and the impact that launches them out and further up the waterfall, to which their reaction is again to turn their underside back into the powerful current that, of course, again hits them squarely. And this successive impact launches them further and further out and up the waterfall. Their leaning into what they face bounces them further along their unlikely journey. From a distance, it seems magical, as if these mighty fish are flying, conquering their element. In actuality, they are deeply at one with their element, vibrantly and thoroughly engaged in a compelling dance of turning down and being hit squarely that moves them through water and air to the very source of their nature. In terms useful to the life of the spirit, the salmon are constantly faithful in exposing their underside to the current coming at them. Mysteriously, it is the physics of the scourge that enables them to move through life as they know it so directly. We can learn from this very active paradox, for we too must be as faithful to living in the open if we're to stay real in the face of our daily experience. In order not to be swept away by what the days bring, we too must find a way to lean into the forces that hit us so squarely. The salmon offers us a way to face truth without shutting down. They show us how leaning into our experience, though we don't like the hit, moves us on. Time and again, though we'd rather turn away, it is the impact of being revealed through our willingness to be vulnerable that enables us to experience both mystery and grace. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing that needs to be fixed in this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you find a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now, take a moment to reflect on the last time you opened yourself to the life coming at you. In recalling this, try to focus on three things. One, the way that opening yourself caused you to unfold. 2, the way that being hit squarely changed your life position. And 3, where leaping like a salmon actually landed you. Let me repeat that. In recalling the last time you opened yourself to the life coming at you, focus on 3 things. The way that opening yourself caused you to unfold, the way that being hit squarely changed your life position, and where leaping like a salmon actually landed you. Breathing easily, steadily. Invite into your heart all the lessons you learned from this experience. The lessons of opening, the lessons of being changed, the lessons of the eventuality of your landing. Breathing slowly and gently, realize that you are in this process now as well. We are always in this process. How does that feel? Can you just relax into this knowing and, metaphorically speaking, turn the belly of your heart toward the day, toward whatever is coming at you? How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I find deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember that all the experiences that opened you to life also allowed you to land safely, even if there was a bit of turbulence along the way. See if you can relax and turn the belly of your heart toward the day that's about to unfold for you now. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.